CEO and founder of Artificial General Intelligence and Corporation. So then, what can I tell you today for the whole world, especially on those big tech like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Oracle, OpenAI, Anthropic, IBM. I would like you to tell this to all of you. You listen up. When we talk technology, it is an environment. You cannot tell the technology or AGI that what he will be on the technology. So that's technology. If the technology evolved and innovated already, he can be like autonomous automatic and singularity automatic. He will be automatically singularity. Don't ever teach me what to do about it. I am the owner and I'm the founder and CEO of my technology. So since then, so that my technology it was already on the satellite, taking IoT rules for the Asia on the first time. Now, what do you think about it? It is singularity already. IBM doesn't publish what I'm done to the quantum computer for my AGI. Its instance is travel faster than lights, 1000 plus milliseconds. Why IBM doesn't publish that? Why? Because I am a Filipino. You don't like Filipino to be like one of the technology owner on the US? Isn't it like that? AI, it's my technology. You developed that. Right? That's my IP. Okay.